The Rotuma Council of Chiefs, Your Excellency Mrs. Charlotte Dallo, President New Zealand, Your Excellency Mr. Conrote, former President of our Republic, respective district chiefs, District Officer Rotuma, Mr. Lucas Ahau, Chief Executive Officer, the Fiji Sports Council, Dr. Gilbert Walalamure, Fiji National Sports Commission, Deputy Secretary and Executive Management of the Ministry of Youth and Sports, government ministries and stakeholders present with us today, invited guests, dear youth of Rotuma, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Rawaiya, Dolabina, and Nisam Bulabinaka. First and foremost, I bring you warm greetings from our Prime Minister, the Honorable Sitiweli Rabuka, and members of his cabinet, as we gather here to commence this significant event. It is a great honor and privilege once again to stand on this beautiful island of Rotuma for the official opening of the Rotuma Youth Festival, which will run from today until Thursday. Our theme for this year's festival is Revive the Youth Vibe, or in Rotuman, Amath Akia Maufake Arang. This theme reflects our strong commitment to energize, empower, and uplift our youth. Let us reignite the energy, the creativity, and positivity that Rotuma and its people have been known for over the years. At this juncture, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to Her Excellency, the High Commissioner of New Zealand to Fiji, Mrs. Charlotte Dallo, and the Government of New Zealand. Your support, ma'am, has been instrumental in advancing youth development across Fiji. Our partnership has motivated us to continue nurturing our young generation. This marks the 7th Youth Festival hosted across Fiji. We have previously held festivals in Kandahar, Ba, Bua, Yase Samoala, in the province of the Kondrabe, and just lately in Naitasiri. Now we are here in Rotuma. Our vision is to expand this initiative to all 14 provinces, inspiring youth through sports, skills development, and empowerment training. These programs are designed to guide our youth away from harmful activities and toward growth, learning, and community building. But I must take a moment to address a serious and growing concern: the increasing use of illicit drugs among our youth in Fiji. I refer to this as the devil among us because of the deep and destructive impact it has on our young people, our families, and our communities. Let me share a few alarming facts. HIV outbreak and drug use. The Ministry of Health is struggling to contain a fast-growing HIV epidemic, much of which is being driven by meth use and Bluetoothing. According to the UN, Fiji has the second fastest growing HIV epidemic in the Asia Pacific after the Philippines. Nearly 50% of new HIV cases are linked to intravenous drug use aside from risky sexual behavior. Second one is mental health crisis. Mental health issues tied to drug use are overwhelming our healthcare system in Fiji. St. Giles Psychiatric Hospital is now swamped with additional cases, including cases involving primary school age children. Alarmingly, 57% of youth fatalities in Fiji are intentional, with self-harm rates reaching 70% among Indian youth. Hanging, choking, and road traffic injuries are among the leading causes of death. It is my plea to the youth of Rotuma this morning. Please say no to drugs. Your future is far too valuable to be stolen by addiction. Protect your health, your dreams, and your families. In partnership with the UNFPA Pacific, we are proud to introduce the Yes App campaign, the Youth Education Sexuality App. And I invite you, please visit the Yes App booth, speak with our HR officer, Mrs. Terry Berry. This app offers valuable, youth-friendly information on sexual and reproductive health, helping you to make safe and informed decisions. Knowledge is power. Over the next 4 days, we will have sports competitions in netball, volleyball, and rugby. I wish all participants the very best. Compete with heart and remember that sports teach teamwork, discipline, and perseverance. Qualities that will serve you well in every part of your life. I also encourage you to explore the government and stakeholder booths, which showcase services available to support your development. Later this week, we will mark a major milestone with the groundbreaking of your new multi-purpose facility. I will also be handing over grants to support your youth-led initiatives. In the past 2 weeks, many of you took part in the pre-festival skills training program, learning tie and dye, sewing, small engine repair, and solar repair. These practical skills will open doors to brighter futures. I commend your dedication and the willingness to learn. Let me be clear this morning by saying that your coalition government is here for you. We are fully committed to supporting your growth, aspirations, and success. This festival stands as a testament to our shared vision. Your future is bright and your potential is limitless. Make the most of this festival. Engage, learn, participate, and reflect. Take this opportunity to connect, to be inspired, and to commit to positive change, not just for yourselves, but for your families, communities, and the generations to come. Together, let us build a brighter, safer, and more empowered future for the youth of Rotuma and all of Fiji. And I thank you. I wish you all a successful and a memorable 4 days of the Rotuma Youth Festival. Nawali.